the beat goes.
What's going on, guys? Cruising Koozie here. I got some P3 gauges. Hold on. Gauge, not gauges. Some of the wiring harness. This I need to transfer over. Shit. An OEM part for some main module box for it, and then just like a owner's manual, pretty much. I'm gonna go remove the old one, and then I can show more of what I'm doing. So the first half of this install is actually super easy. This, you just pull it out, and then there'll be a little gap. Just want to open this guy up. I don't think you can take them all the way off, but that's fine because you just need to be able to reach into this little hole here, and I don't even think you really need to. Oh, also, unless you have the splitter, anything plugged into your OBD port is gonna have to stay unplugged once you put the new stuff up in. This is like what you would call the annoying part. Not really. I'm gonna show what you have to do, and then I'm gonna set the phone down so I can do it. But it's this little square here, this little square right there. And all you want to do is just twist this, and you can see it pulls it up. I'm gonna set the phone down and do it. Yeah, so pretty much all I did was put it in there and I twisted it. You'll hear it pop. Once it pops both on the top, you're good. It's off. And then you just clip it onto this side, which I'm going to set the phone down once again to do so. I'm gonna try and record this to the best of my abilities. I don't have my tripod. I don't really even remember where it's at. So I'm just gonna set this guy up. Okay, that works. So pretty much you got these little prongs down here. They'll line up with these three little holes in the bottom of this thing. You can actually see them right there at that angle. They'll line up. There we go. And then you just push it till it pops. And it's done. Gauge is in. Time to go bring this bad boy into the car. Set it up. Okay, my car's a little bit of a mess, and I still don't have anywhere to really prop the phone up, but pretty much this guy, this little module box here, you want to plug in the P3 to it. It's a little Ethernet cable. And then this setup has a little piece somewhere right here, and that plugs into this side. But I'm going to deal with that once I'm down in here. And that's why we have this little plastic side piece open as well. Hey man, I'm filming. But yeah, no, I have this little plastic side piece open here so that we can grab the other wires and stuff. Actually, to make it easier, I'm gonna do this part second and pull the other wires up, these guys. So this is super easy. This you plug into the OBD, and then these will just come out up the top, up into here, and this end, not this end, but this end, will plug directly into the little box, and that's literally all it takes. It's super easy. I almost forgot to start filming again, so I got this guy all the way up through here. So pretty much what I did is I plugged in the OBD2 port back in here. I ran the wires up. I'm gonna try and tuck these a little better. I'm not worried about it right now, but I will tuck them. And then I have them up around this plastic piece pulls off. It unpopped like that. That's how I was able to tuck it a little bit. But yeah, and then it'll run through this plastic guy into this hole. Close this up. You'll never even know they're there, except for down there. Oh, it looks like I already got it good now. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'll never see that. This is in the way. But yeah, so pretty much all that's left is you just plug this in and it's done. It's plugged in. She's blinking. She did. Is the camera not picking that up? There it is. All right, so I'm gonna tuck this all in. Then I'll save this little wrapper for the end. Just like that, she's in. This thing's pretty stiff. It's whatever. All right, I'm gonna start the car. I haven't even seen this thing yet in person. Where'd she go? Thought she's supposed to turn on. Oh, there we go. Only want to give me battery voltage. I'm gonna figure this thing out right quick. Legit, right as I set the camera down, it started giving me boost. Yeah, we were just under boost. Coolant temperature. It's your speed, how fast you're going. I think, yeah, that's battery voltage. It's RPM. I believe oil temp? Yeah, oil temp. Intake air temp, exhaust gas temperature. That's actually pretty nice. I didn't know that that was a thing. Oh, this is timing. Wow, there's a lot more to this than I thought. Throttle percentage, air fuel ratio. No way. 0 to 60 timer. We're back to boost. I'm gonna leave it at boost for now. Now I just turned on the little top part. It's pretty cool. That was it. That was the end of the install. Super easy. I'm done. That was maybe 10 minutes, maybe, and that's because I did shit in between it. It's super easy, and there's so much you can do with it now. It's like no brainer. Buy it. I have it's really hard to see, but back here my O2 sensors are disconnected, and I just got the V-band on the top side. The OEM one, I just got that off, so now I gotta go down there, get the bracket that holds the downpipe, and then the bolt that attaches the downpipe to the midpipe.
What?
You don't see my hood shaking?
Oh yeah.